A joyful evening to everyone present here. My name is Ridhima. What is marine biodiversity? Marine biodiversity encompasses of life present in the oceans, present in the deep sea. Marine biodiversity includes the species present living in the deep sea, and it also involves their habitats and the interactions between them. The ocean is a vast and complex ecosystem for which involves various creatures like the sharks, whales, etc. These are some examples of the marine life living in our deep sea. It involves squids, octopuses, jellyfishes, etc. But there are obviously many more present here. Unique adaptations. The creatures living in the deep sea have their bodies modified so they can live in the deep sea normally. For example, high pressure. The giant squids and jellyfish can face immense pressure because since they live in the deep sea, their bodies are adapted to such situations. Lack of sunlight. Chemosynthesis is a process by which the organisms make their own energy in the lack of sunlight. Strange shapes and sizes. The marine life have a lot of strange shapes and which are very fascinating and bizarre at the same point. Squids and octopuses are some of the examples. Threats to marine biodiversity. Pollution. Plastic consumption and oil spills are often leads to harsh destruction for the marine life, which is really dangerous for the inhabitant marine species. Overfishing. When we overfish, a large amount of sea creatures lose their lives. So overfishing also leads to the destruction in marine life. Habitat loss. Coastal developments lead to the loss of sea creatures and the marine life existing in the seabeds like the coral reefs. Climate change. Rising ocean levels and high temperature due to the greenhouse effect leads to the high temperature in our oceans, which leads the marine life to come to on top of the surface and which they cannot live in those harsh conditions. Ocean acidification. The high amount of carbon dioxide is absorbed by our ocean, so they rise in temperature and which cause immense destruction to the marine life, and it's really dangerous for them. These are some more examples of the life lives in the deep sea. These sharks are very dangerous, but they still have the right to live. So we should protect them at all costs. By understanding the importance of marine biodiversity and taking steps to conserve it, we can ensure a healthy ocean for our future generations. At the end, oceans are very beautiful and everyone deserves a chance to view and its beauty. Thank you.